Hi guys, the Elevator Adventure Channel here, and today we're gonna get something out the vending machine. Last time I got Lay's, the green one, which is gone now, and this time we're gonna get C1. Start this. Hope we get. Hold on. Before I'm using my other hand. $5, $50. So right there is $125, $75. So I'm not very good using this hand. Perfect. And then we're gonna get C1. I got the cookies. I'm gonna put it right there. And now we're gonna get something here. We're going to get. We got that one last time, so we're going to get the Coca-Cola. I think I could get the apple one. I think I want to try C7. So I have to use one. Let's watch it. 25. Just gonna see the indicator. 25, 50, 75, 200. I'm gonna get the C7. And I also got cash too. Sorry about this. Here's the Louisiana. Let me take my thumbnail. Okay, now let's get extra coins here. So that's it. Let me take another thumbnail, but this with the coins. Okay, so this will be it.